Good morning, children. Welcome to physics class. Today we discuss about the chapter 1 force. Chapter 1 force. We can change many changes in our surroundings. Sunrise, sunset, see the tides of the sea. Many changes in our surroundings. Due to the reason of we find out in 19th century Albert Einstein. In a 19th century, Albert Einstein, he discussed about due to the reason of the force. Due to the reason of the force. Force is small defined as the push or pull. Force is small defined as a push or pull. Force it indicates with the F. Force example of the open the door, close the door, throw the ball. Open the door, close the door, throw the ball. Is the examples of the many examples of the in daily life. Push the table is the force. Force it indicates letter is the F. Newton's second law. Newton's second law. Force F is equal ma. Force F is equal ma. F representation of force. F representation of force. M representation of mass. A representation of acceleration. A representation of acceleration. అయితే force in units. Units of force. Units of force. Units of force in SI system. In SI system. SI system means international system. Force F is equal ma కాబట్టి units of SI system 1 kilogram meter per second square. 1 kilogram meter per second square or is called as newtons. Is called as newtons. In CGS system. Almost all uses on SI system and CGS system. CGS system is units is 1 gram centimeter per second square. 1 gram centimeter per second square is also called as times. Is also called as times. 1 Newton that is equal 10 to the power of 5 times. 1 Newton that is equal 10 to the power of 5 times. Next, types of force. Types of force. Types of force mainly classified to two types. Mainly classified to two types. What are they? What are they? Contact force and non-contact force. Contact force and non-contact force. Contact force again divided to two types. Muscular force, frictional force. Muscular force and frictional force. Non-contact force again divided to three types. What are them? Magnetic force, gravitational force, electrostatic force. Today we discuss about the contact force. Today we discuss about the contact force. Today we discuss about the contact force. When you want to apply the force, two bodies should be in contact. Is called as contact force. When you want to apply the force, two bodies should be in contact. Is called as contact force. అయితే కాంటాక్ట్ ఫోర్స్ బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓపెన్ ద డోర్, క్లోజ్ ద డోర్, kick the ball, riding the bicycle, contact force. First we discuss about the muscular force. The force which we exert by using our body muscles is known as muscular force. Once again repeat the muscular force. The force which we exert by using our body muscles is known as muscular force. Muscular force ki best example bathing, driving, throwing, eating is the best example of the muscular force. Lifting the weight is the best example of the muscular force. Next, second one is the frictional force. Frictional force is the resistance to the movement of the over the surface of another body. Is called as frictional force. Next, we discuss about the second type of force is the non-contact force. Non-contact force. First one we discuss about the magnetic force. Force with which a magnet pulls towards a made up of iron and some other metals is called as magnetic force. Already previous classes in 6th class magnetic principles. For example, magnets have two poles. What are them? North pole and south pole. Like poles of the north pole and south pole. For example, principles, magnetic principles, like poles, like that, north or south. North south is act as a repel. Next, unlike poles. Like that, north south or south north. It acts as a attracts. Is called as magnetic force. Like poles of the magnet is called as repel. Unlike poles of the magnet is called as attraction. It is called as magnetic force. Definition, again repeat the definition. Force with which a magnet pulls objects made up of iron or and some other metals is called as magnetic force. Next, we discuss about the second one is along with non-contact force. Electrostatic force. Force exerted by object with a static electric charge. Is called as electrostatic force. Next, last one belongs to the non-contact force with gravitational force. We can observe in our surroundings any object upward direction throughout the upward direction fall down of the earth due to the reason act as a gravitational force. Attractive force between the two objects is called as gravitational force. Gravitational force, once again repeat the definition, and attractive force between the two objects is called as gravitational force. We discuss about the contact force and non-contact force. Next class discuss with the remaining definitions.